Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetradingsystems.com, making this a small video about yen index and yen pairs. So let's get started here. Let me show you the yen index chart I made on the August the 2nd, on the beginning. And this is yen index 33-minute chart, one of those small charts. For direction, I use that. So after I predicted that it's going to drop, it dropped all the way here. So then I made this chart saying that from here, this is wave one probably finished, and we're going to go up for wave two to the upside around 61%. And this is the area I was expecting. So, and the bounce area is 6209. And I wrote down here that if this happened, we'll send all yen pairs to the upside. So what happened to this chart? So far, as of today, the 5th is this. So it went up all the way there. So this is what I wrote, that this will happen. Did it happen? That's the question, right? So let's go take a look if that happened. Yen means all yen pairs should be going to the upside. So this is the 33-minute chart. This is what happened to it. And let's get started with the USD yen. We're going to see 7 pairs, what happened since August the 2nd. So USD yen, August the 2nd, from here, it went up deep a little bit and then up 500 pip to the upside as of today. Euro yen, it went up 400 pip as of today. Pound yen, 400 pip from here. This yellow line is August the 2nd. After that, it started to go up and I started seeing the entries, obviously the bullish entries, and then I went long in all of these yen pairs. I'll show you the trades later on. Aussie yen went up 300 pip. CAD yen went up 300 pip. Franc yen went up 300 pip. And New yen went up only 200 pip because New is also weak. So that's what happened. But they all went anywhere from 500 pip to 200 pip each pair, right? You can count all of these pippage. So what did I do? Once I knew that they're gonna go up. So I start watching the 20-minute chart for entries, for bullish entries, right? Some of these pairs I don't even watch, like New yen, Franc yen. I don't look at them at all, right? So let's go take a look at that. How many trades I got since the August 2nd till August the 5th. So this is on the 3rd, the day that that thing start going up, and I was watching it on the 7-minute chart, the index. See, this is the small chart that gives you divergence and show the the volume decreasing and all of that. So this yellow line is also August 2nd, 1600 hour, and you can clearly see that the price was making lower low, and then the divergence was happening, and after that it'll start to go up, right? So when I see that, okay, now it's going to go up, right? And I was right that they're gonna go up and all yen pairs. So I started looking at the USD, sorry, not the yen pairs for long entries, and I started getting them and I start taking them. So let's go take a look. Pound yen on the August the 3rd. This is the pound yen entry. This was an entry too, but when I moved the SL here, this one took it out, and then I got, and again, it's only 65 pip, but something. On the 3rd, game started on the 3rd, then is Euro yen. You can see beautiful long entry here for 120 pip. USD yen, long entry on the 3rd for 110 pip. Euro yen, long entry again on the 4th for 90 pip. Remember, all of these trades are taken with my IB setup. That setup has 4 conditions. I have to have 4 conditions to open the trade. I do not trade randomly. Okay, so setup was there, and this was also a beautiful setup, but I was in here already. Then the next day, this happened, and then more to come. Aussie yen, 70 pip on the 4th. And Euro yen on the 5th, 140 pip. Look at that entry here. Buy order and SL move to break even. And then this is pound yen on the 5th, Friday. Means today. I'm making the video today. And I already closed these trades because Friday is always like that. And this is for 100 pip, right? So imagine this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 trades, right? And almost like 800, 900 pips in between these trades. Knowing that this will happen right here, that this thing is going to go up from here to here. This is yen index. When yen index goes up, yen gets weaker. And yen is always on the right hand side on in every single yen pair, like euro yen, USD yen, pound yen, CAD yen, this yen, that yen, right? So they all go up. When the yen gets weaker, the right hand side currency gets weaker, the pair goes up, right? So they all went 500, 400, 300 pip. And these are the 7 trades I got from in between third, fourth, and fifth. 7 trades for hundreds of pips. So this is the beauty about watching the index. If you learn this, this is not the only one. I have the same thing I'm doing with the USD index. I said it's going to go up, and it went up. And the thing is that when yen, not yen, but any index moving, then all the currency pairs involving that index start to move. And then you literally have multiple choice in hand. So you have to decide which one to take. Like I said, that I don't, you don't see anything in New Zealand yen and franc yen because I don't even watch those pairs. I hardly take trades in CAD yen, right? But mostly USD yen, Euro yen, and pound yen. And even if you stick to 2 or 3 pairs, if you catch the direction in an index, that's it. It's done. And especially when I have my strategy, and then the system to get into the market, that yellow, this yellow line has to be above the black. This indicator has to be all the way down, coming up. Price making a higher low, and then red candle coming in and getting out from the wave with blue candles, and I open the trade. You can see all of these trades like that. See that? Same thing happening here, yellow, black, this down. Here you can see same thing. It was same thing here. It was same thing here. Yellow is above the black. This thing is down, going up. Here, the same thing. Here, the same thing. Yellow is above the black. This is down, going up. This one, see, the yellow is a little bit below the black, so I didn't take this entry. Not this one, but this one I see, okay, it's going. And I knew that yen is getting weaker and then it's going to go up. So it's 140, imagine. Boom, goes up, right? So this is how to use index to do these kind of trades. So if you need to, if you like what you saw, you want to be a part of it, you want to learn, you want to get the system and learn how to do it, then attend my webinars, and then you just have to go and hear maybe on my website, subscribe. The weekend is coming, right? So you get the chart, you subscribe, you get the system, you get the chart, you set up your charts, not the chart, but you have to set up the charts. I have the videos how to do that. And then from Monday, you can start doing it. I have a Telegram channel where I put all the heads up, right? Not the signal, but the heads up about the setup coming. And I do have the alarm, which I'll give it to you. When the setup is about to happen, the alarm beeps. It tells you that which pair is making a 20-minute long or short entry. So all you got to do is pull the trigger and stick to it, and then target this. You see that I am holding my trades like 130, 140 pip. Why? How? Why not closing at 30, 40 pip? There are reasons for that. Daily range. If you look at for example, if I show you some of these pairs, probably don't have it. Right here. See this indicator, it tells me that, okay, average 26 week, the daily range is this. Average range is 139. Previous day range, my name is stopping. Okay, same thing. So this daily range determines that how far you are in when you're starting it. See this daily start. They're starting the beginning line here. This white dotted line. This is the daily open line, and then from there on, the low is this, high is this. So you calculate the daily range, and then you hold on to it for the daily range. And then some of these pairs have 150, 200 per daily range. So if you get in early, you can hold on to it because the price is going to go and fulfill the daily range. That's why I hold it. So I teach all of that. If you be a part of the system, then subscribe. You're going to get recordings as well as live webinars. Wednesday at 4 o'clock, Sunday 4 o'clock I do, and and I not only teach but I also go over the market and give the new charts and explain my charts. Which pair is gonna go up, which is gonna go down, all of that. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful, wonderful weekend.